Good day, everyone. This is Dekadit Cantiveros, and today we will be talking about global food security and its components as well as the threats revolving around it. So, first off, this is for educational use only. Our group is allowing our instructor, Mr. Roldan Ardines, to use this as an educational material. So, let us now begin the discussion. What is global food security? Global food security is a complex and multifaceted issue encompassing the availability, accessibility, utilization, and stability of food for all people. Achieving this goal requires addressing a wide range of interconnected factors that influence food production, distribution, and consumption.
There are four factors leading global food security sustainability. First, we have sustainable agricultural practices. Implementing sustainable farming methods such as crop rotation, agroforestry, and organic farming helps preserve soil fertility and water resources, ensuring long-term food production. Second, improve infrastructures. Investing in transportation, storage facilities, and irrigation systems enhance the efficiency of food distribution, reducing losses and ensuring timely access to food. Third, we have climate change mitigation and adaptation. Developing climate resilient crops and agricultural practices helps mitigate the impact of changing wealth pattern, ensuring food production in the face of extreme events. Last one and the fourth, nutrition, education, and awareness. Empowering communities with knowledge about nutrition, sustainability, farming, and food preservation can improve food utilization and prevent malnutrition.
The state of the Philippines in terms of food security during the pandemic. The COVID-19 significantly impact food security in the Philippines. Movement, restriction, and economic downturns disrupt agriculture production and supply chains, leading to price increases and reduced access to food for vulnerable population. While the government implement various relief programs, challenges remain in ensuring equitable distribution and addressing the underlying issues of poverty and inequality that exacerbated food insecurity. The pandemic highlight the fragility of countries' food system and the need for more resilient and inclusive approaches to the food security.
Availability refers to the physical supply of food, which is determined by domestic production, imports, and stock levels. Stable supply chain and agricultural productivity are critically ensuring food is available. Ensuring availability requires both natural resources and technological innovations to support growing food demands.
So access, it means people have the resources, money, transportation, social support to obtain food, and it includes economic, physical, and social access. Barriers include poverty, high prices, and remote locations. So food access, it refers to the ability of individuals to obtain nutritious, affordable, and cultural appropriate food. For example, a family may live near a grocery store but still struggle to buy healthy food because of low income. In rural areas, people often face physical barriers to food, such as long distances to the nearest market. Some individuals, like elderly or disabled, may have difficulty accessing to food due to limited mobility. Cultural factors also play a role. Someone might find food nearby but it may not meet their religious or dietary needs, like halal or vegetarian options. Government programs such as food stamps or free school meals help improve access by supporting those who cannot afford enough food on their own. Overall, food access is shaped by a combination of economic, physical, and social factors.
Utilization is commonly understood as the way the body makes the most of various nutrients in the food. Sufficient energy and nutrient intake by individuals are the result of good care and feeding practices. Food preparation, diversity of the diet, and intra-household distribution of food, combined with good biological utilization of food consumed, this determines the nutritional status of individuals.
Pillar of food security, illustrating that consistent access to food, free from disruptions like price spikes or supply shortages, is essential. It uses a visual array of diverse food items to represent a secure and varied food supply capable of withstanding challenges such as natural disasters or economic crisis. Stable access to nourishment. Building upon this foundation, it outlines two key components: adopting sustainable agricultural practices that preserve natural resources for future food productions, and investing in efficient infrastructure to minimize food loss and ensure timely distribution. These elements underscore the need to not only secure food access in the present but also to ensure the long-term capacity to food and feed a growing global population responsibly and effectively.
Good day, everyone. Sustainability refers to practice that ensure food security not just in the present, but for the future generations. This includes sustainable agricultural practices, resource management, and environmental conservation. It also involves ensuring that economic and social systems are resilient enough to support food security in the long term. Sustainable agriculture. A farmer uses organic farming techniques like crop rotation, natural fertilizer, and pest control instead of chemicals. This not only protects soil health and biodiversity, but also ensures future generations can farm on the same land. Second example, resource management. A community install a rainwater harvesting system to collect and store water during the rainy seasons. This system reduces reliance on groundwater and provides water during dry months, promoting long-term water security.
Threats to global food security. Threats to global food security refer to factors that compromise the availability, access, utilization, and stability of food supplies, potentially leading to hunger, malnutrition, and food crisis. These threats can be environmental, economic, social, or political in nature, and include issues like climate change, conflict, poverty, and price volatility. Major threats to global food security include climate change, which affects crop yields and food production, political instability that disrupts supply chains, and economic inequalities that prevent equitable access to food. Additionally, global population growth and the depletion of natural resources exacerbate food security challenges. In conclusion, ensuring global food security is crucial for achieving a world where everyone has access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food, thereby promoting overall health and well-being. Addressing the various threats to global food security requires a collective effort from governments, organizations, and individuals who create a more sustainable and food-secure future.
Tabora Sebastian, is food security possible? Yes, food security is possible, but it's a complex and ongoing challenge that requires coordinated global, national, and local efforts. Food security means that all people at all times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meets their dietary needs for an active and healthy life. Achieving food security involves addressing four key dimensions. 1. Availability. Enough food must be produced. 2. Access. People must have the means to get the food. 3. Utilization. Food must be nutritious and properly used. 4. Stability. This condition must be reliable over time.